didn't speak until the recording started. It's hard to do it with one hand. I could have paused the video. And here they are. Here's our hands for the extra hands for Izuku Midoriya. And these extra faces for him. The effects piece on him. When I was unboxing Izuku Midoriya, his head came off. And this effects piece just came off of him. And here is Bumblebee, the Steel's Series A6 Bumblebee. He comes with a blaster. That's it. And here's Bumblebee. He still moves his head and his arms, his elbows, his leg, and his knee, and also Bumblebee. Here's the instruction for Bumblebee. It could turn him to a car. I'm gonna be Bumblebee to the car. Here is Bumblebee with his car mode. I even put his gun in his bumper. Is on him. Okay. I found these figures at Target. I found it in the aisle. I found Izuku Midoriya at the collector's aisle in Target. So I can hear his back crunch. His arm. It's also his leg. It's hard to do it with one arm. And that's it. That is it for the unboxing video. I'll see you in the video. Bye.